From the vine to the box, the journey of the raisin is one of transformation, patience, and perfect timing. It begins here, with the selection of the finest, sweetest, and most mature grapes.
Modern farming ensures a swift and efficient harvest, minimizing damage to the delicate fruit.
The collected grapes are immediately prepared for their first and most crucial stage, the drying process. The simplest method is often the best: sun drying, the original and purest way to create a raisin.
For up to 3 weeks, the sun's natural energy gently pulls the moisture from the fruit.
This slow dehydration concentrates the sugars, locking in the sweetness that we know and love.
Once the moisture content drops below a critical threshold, the sun-drying process is complete.
The raisins are then rolled in their drying trays, where they will rest or cure for several more days.
Curing allows the remaining moisture to equalize throughout the fruit, ensuring every raisin is perfectly consistent.
The next stage is the factory, where the raw raisins are prepared for final processing and packaging.
First, the raisins are separated from their paper trays and any leftover bits of stem or leaf.
Precision machinery then takes over, working diligently to remove the tiny stem that once connected the fruit to the vine.
Air classification is used to clean the fruit, blowing away any remaining dust or light chaff.
Though dried in the field, the raisins are not yet ready. The next essential step is washing.
The raisins are washed in pure, filtered water to remove any surface residue and ensure absolute hygiene.
The water is quickly drained, preparing the fruit for its final cleaning stages.
Every single raisin is subjected to rigorous safety checks, utilizing advanced metal detection and X-ray technology.
Optical sorters use high-speed lasers and cameras to inspect for defects, color variations, and foreign material.
Despite the automation, human inspection remains a vital final safeguard for quality assurance.
A tiny amount of food-grade oil is applied, keeping the raisins free-flowing and ready for packaging. The final product is precisely weighed and sealed in airtight packaging to preserve its freshness.
Each package is sealed to perfection, ensuring a long shelf life and consistent quality. Robotic automation handles the final assembly, quickly preparing the cartons for global distribution.
From the factory floor, the raisins are moved into storage, awaiting shipment across the world.
Journey is complete. A simple, natural treat, ready to be enjoyed.
But the story always begins here, in the sun, on.
The natural power of the sun, the precision of modern technology, that is the secret of the perfect raisin.
Every year, the cycle begins anew. A delicate balance of climate and cultivation. The health of the vine determines the quality of the fruit, a process managed with expert care months before the harvest. Water management is crucial. The vine must be nourished, but never oversaturated.
Weeks of slow, steady growth, turning sunlight and soil into perfect, natural sweetness.
The final weeks of summer signal the beginning of the harvest season, a coordinated effort of many hands.
The technology is designed to be as gentle as the human hand, preserving the integrity of the fruit.
Tons of fresh grapes are collected daily, a testament to the vineyard's productivity. The raw harvest is quickly transported to the prepared drying beds, where the sun awaits.
The specialized paper trays provide a clean, reflective surface to maximize the sun's drying power. A thin, uniform layer is essential for optimal and consistent dehydration. Days turn into nights. The sun's energy is the only tool needed for this natural alchemy.
The concentration of natural fruit sugar begins to accelerate, leading to the raisin's unique sweetness. Even at night, the process continues, as the fruit rests and prepares for the sun's return.
Constant monitoring of the color and texture ensures the perfect final product.
The final flip marks the end of the sun drying. The fruit is now ready for the curing stage.
Protected from the elements, the equalization of moisture ensures optimal texture and shelf life.
Each roll is secured, ready for transport to the processing plant.
A massive volume of product is now ready to begin the modern, mechanical cleaning process. First factory step, separating the fruit from the drying paper and recycling the material. The multi-stage stemming and screening process removes even the smallest, most stubborn remnants of the vine. An additional layer of safety. Powerful magnets are used to capture any minute ferrous material. Density separation ensures that only the high-quality, dense fruit continues to the wash.
Washing is a gentle yet crucial step, preparing the raisin for its final appearance.
A brief pass through a warm air tunnel ensures the fruit is completely dry before the final inspection.
Size and consistency are rigorously monitored to meet the highest industry standards.
No imperfection escapes the high-speed, high-resolution optical sorters.
The final touch, a thin protective layer that preserves the texture and appearance.
The final product is now ready for its measured journey into the package.
Precision weighing ensures that every consumer receives the exact amount they expect. Final quality checks on packaging integrity and labeling are completed instantly.
The finished pallets are shrink-wrapped for maximum stability and protection during long-distance transit.
Temperature-controlled transport ensures the quality is maintained from the factory gate to the distributor.
Ready for use in countless recipes, the raisin is a versatile ingredient.
Adding a burst of concentrated sweetness and natural energy.
The entire process, from soil to seal, is a testament to the pursuit of the perfect, sun-ripened fruit.
The perfect transformation from grape to gold. The Raisin Company.
Modern precision farming uses real-time data to control the exact nutritional intake of the vines. The waxy bloom on the grape is a sign of ultimate freshness and quality, a natural protection.
The efficiency of the harvest ensures all grapes are picked at their peak ripeness.
Mechanization assists in the precise and clean preparation of the vast drying beds.
The heavy-duty paper is designed to withstand the intense heat and remain in place throughout the drying cycle.
Daily checks on the sugar-to-acid ratio determine the optimal time to stop the sun-drying process.
The final, natural product of the sun. A concentration of the vine's best qualities.
Protected and curing, the raisins absorb the final warmth of the sun-drenched soil.
The raw material enters the highly controlled, sterile environment of the processing plant.
Initial screening separates the raisins by size, routing different grades to the appropriate processing line. The cleanliness of the flow is constantly monitored before the deep cleaning process begins. The immersion wash instantly removes the surface dust acquired during the field drying process. Water quality is maintained through a closed-loop, multi-stage filtration and recycling system. Clean and dry, the fruit is now ready for the final, high-tech inspection.
Human oversight of the automated scanning ensures continuous quality control at the highest level.
Precision of the optical system can detect flaws invisible to the naked eye.
Scientific analysis confirms the optimal sugar levels and internal consistency of the product. The final coating is applied in a rotating drum for perfect, light, and even distribution. High-quality, durable film is used to create the final, hermetically sealed package.
A continuous system of final checks ensures accuracy in both weight and presentation.
The integrity of the seal is paramount for maintaining freshness over long periods.
Pallets are built with perfect, interlocking precision for maximum stability in transit.
The cold chain storage maintains the quality until the moment the product is shipped. From the field to the world, the Golden Fruit Company's raisins reach continents afar.
Every perfect raisin begins with the promise held within a single perfect grape.
Nature provides the energy. The sun is the great distiller of sweetness.
This is the essence of the process: dehydration, concentration, and preservation.
Human expertise guides every step of the natural field drying process.
A symphony of precision engineering and automation handles the massive flow of product.
Subtle rehydration prepares the fruit for final processing, ensuring optimal texture.
Any contamination is instantly detected and diverted into a secure quarantine area.
Each individual fruit is analyzed by multispectral imaging in milliseconds.
Internal quality is checked for perfect color, texture, and sugar crystallization.
The oil is atomized into a micron-fine mist, ensuring the lightest possible coating.
Efficiency and speed meet precision in the final, automated packaging line. Every fill is computer-controlled, guaranteeing weight accuracy with every cycle.
A dynamic check weigher ensures no package is under the declared weight. The shipping cartons are securely sealed with a tamper-evident high-strength tape. Organization and climate control ensure a continuous supply chain that is ready to ship on demand.
Meticulous documentation tracks every pallet from the factory floor to the final customer.
Raisins are a natural source of energy, fiber, and essential nutrients. A healthy, portable snack, perfect for any time of the day.
The result of a perfect partnership: nature and nurture.
The Golden Fruit Company. Nature's sweetest transformation.
In the heart of the valley, the perfect conditions meet the ancient art of grape cultivation.
The decision to harvest is based on precise scientific readings and decades of experience.
The harvest equipment is designed for minimal soil disturbance and sustainable farming practices.
Vibration settling ensures the grapes are packed densely but gently for their short trip. A perfectly smooth, clean surface is essential for the sun-drying process to work uniformly.
The single-layer spread is the secret to even, rapid sun-drying across the entire field.
The process is completely natural, dictated only by the sun and the weather of the valley.
The final check is always tactile, ensuring the perfect, leathery texture that signifies a completed cure.
The speed and efficiency of the field crew ensure the delicate window for curing is met perfectly. Waiting patiently, the sweet, concentrated fruit continues its final, natural transformation.
Before processing, each roll is checked to ensure it is secure and the fruit is protected.
The sheer volume of product entering the line is managed by a continuous, high-capacity flow system.
The waste is separated and routed for further processing into valuable byproducts.
Powerful vacuum systems remove the finest dust, ensuring a clean and hygienic product.
Audio features the consistent, strong sound of rushing water, characterized by powerful yet gentle edges.
Careful control of air temperature and flow ensures fast, non-damaging drying post-wash. The sensitivity of the detection systems is calibrated multiple times daily to ensure zero failure.
The rejected product is securely segregated, ensuring no substandard fruit enters the final stream.
Microscopic analysis provides the ultimate assurance of surface cleanliness and texture.
The rotating drum ensures every raisin receives the necessary, light, protective coating.
Complete traceability is ensured with a unique batch code printed on every single package.
The final product is formed, filled, and sealed in one seamless, high-speed operation.
The weight calibration is continuously tested and verified by running empty packages through the line. Automated case packing ensures zero damage to the finished product before shipment. The robotic system handles the cartons with the utmost care, preventing any crushing or damage. Internal logistics are managed by autonomous vehicles, ensuring a smooth and hands-off transition to shipping. Data-driven field management monitors solar exposure, providing crucial data for future harvests.
Different grape varietals produce different types of raisins, like the popular, lighter, golden raisin.
The versatility of the grape is unmatched, serving both the liquid and dried fruit markets.
A simple, natural ingredient that enriches the flavors of cuisines around the globe.
As the sun rises, the annual cycle of growth and production resumes, fueled by nature's energy. Every drop of water, every ray of sun, contributes to the final concentration of sweetness. Soil health and moisture are precisely monitored to optimize the vine's natural sugar production.
The precision-tuned mechanical shake ensures maximum yield with minimal stress on the fruit. The volume of the harvest requires continuous, heavy-duty logistics to keep the flow moving.
Every effort is made to create a perfectly even layer for consistent sun exposure across the field. The drying field transforms the natural landscape into a vast, sun-powered factory. The loss of moisture is the key, concentrating the flavor and creating the classic raisin texture.
The rolls are sealed quickly to protect the fruit from dust and moisture during the curing period.
Security and stability are non-negotiable for the long-distance transfer to the processing plant.
The field paper is removed and instantly directed to a clean, isolated recycling stream. Inclined and ribbed conveyors utilize gravity and motion for early, gentle separation of loose debris.
The physical scanning field ensures that every millimeter of the product stream is checked for foreign objects. Controlled turbulence in the wash bath provides maximum cleaning power without damaging the delicate fruit. The water purity is maintained at a near potable level throughout the entire washing process. The process is designed for maximum energy efficiency and environmental responsibility.
Even natural organic matter that is not part of the final product is detected and removed.
Final lab analysis confirms the product meets all global standards for food safety and quality.
The entire process equipment is meticulously cleaned daily to ensure a sterile environment.
Consistent weight accuracy is maintained by high-speed, computer-controlled volumetric filling. Precise temperature control ensures a perfect, durable, and clean seal every single time.
The entire end-of-line process is a seamless, coordinated dance of automation.
Custom security tape acts as a final layer of tamper evidence for total customer confidence. Final pallet weight is recorded and logged, confirming the total volume of product. The finished product begins its journey to consumers around the world. The oldest quality test remains the most satisfying. The pure, sweet taste of the perfect grape.
The sun's work is not just drying. It is the natural concentration of the fruit's most valuable assets.
Precision, safety, consistency. The modern art of processing. The Golden Fruit Company. Nature's sweetest, preserved.
Thank you for choosing quality. Thank you for choosing us.
Real-time climate data is collected to predict and optimize the vine's response to the environment. Precision vine management ensures that every grape reaches its maximum potential for sugar content.
GPS and laser guidance systems ensure perfectly straight and efficient passes down the vineyard rows.
The newly harvested fruit is protected from dust and insects during the short, final transport to the field.
Despite automation, the skilled hand of the field worker is still essential for the perfect spread.
The initial phase of drying sees a dramatic change in the fruit's color as moisture escapes.
In some cases, a natural solution is lightly misted to perfectly set the final sugar and moisture levels.
Internal core sampling provides the ultimate data on the fruit's crystallization and moisture uniformity.
Drying the rolls is a practiced art, ensuring a secure and protective envelope for the curing fruit.
The silent, final curing stage, where the sun's work completes its transformation. Initial human inspection provides a vital first check on the quality of the incoming raw material.
A cascading system of screens meticulously separates the stems by size and weight from the fruit. Preventative maintenance ensures the magnetic separation system is always operating at peak efficiency.
Water clarity is a continuous quality indicator, ensuring the washing is completely effective. The water temperature is precisely controlled to optimize cleaning power and protect the fruit's texture. The washing and final drying restore the fruit to its peak post-cure presentation.
The optical sensors are continuously and automatically cleaned to ensure zero interruption of the high-speed scanning.
A simple tumble test confirms the anti-caking oil has been perfectly and evenly applied.
Advanced atomization technology minimizes the oil needed while maximizing the surface coverage.
Continuous, uninterrupted flow ensures peak efficiency and product freshness into the package.
A precise tear notch is cut into the film, guaranteeing easy opening for the consumer.
A final protective coating is applied over the code to ensure it is smudge-proof and tamper-proof.
Automated grouping ensures the internal packaging is perfectly aligned and protected within the shipping carton. Robotic stacking is programmed for perfect geometry, eliminating human error in pallet construction.
A final branded security strip is applied, signifying the completion of the quality assurance process. A perfectly controlled environment ensures the product retains its optimal quality until the final moment of shipment.
The free flow consistency of the finished product is the final measure of the oil application's success.
Grape, Sud, Raisin. The simple elegance of the process. Golden Fruit Company. Powered by nature, perfected by science.
The work is hard, but the reward is in the quality of the fruit.
The specialized paper is a product of modern material science, designed for field durability and purity.
Even manual transport is optimized for ergonomic efficiency and product protection.
Machine vibration is continually adjusted to match the flow and varietal of the fruit.
The final air classification includes a cooling effect, preparing the fruit for the washing stage.
Gentle agitation in the wash prevents any damage to the fruit's delicate skin. Conveyor speed is precisely tuned to the drying tunnel specifications, ensuring perfect exit moisture.
The system is continuously tested with certified test pieces to guarantee its operating sensitivity.
Precision sorting allows for separation into different quality grades, maximizing the yield of the harvest. A critical measure for shelf life. The water activity test confirms the product is microbiologically stable. The drum's internal design gently tumbles the fruit, guaranteeing 100% surface coating.
The packaging film is a multi-layer barrier, protecting the product from light, oxygen, and moisture intrusion.
The filling cycle is timed precisely to the packaging line speed, maximizing throughput.
Nitrogen gas purging is used to displace oxygen, ensuring optimal freshness and preventing product degradation.
A minimal, food-safe adhesive ensures the internal packages do not shift during transit.
Slip sheets are strategically placed to stabilize the load, preventing layer-to-layer slippage.
The automatic wrap system ensures a perfectly taut and consistent seal across the entire pallet.
Our dedicated logistics fleet ensures complete control over the product environment, from factory to delivery.
The final readiness check is always a tactile one, ensuring the fruit has achieved its maximum density.
Time and sun are the invisible ingredients, patiently working their natural magic.
Beyond color, the raisin's value lies in its perfectly preserved, concentrated form.
Our commitment is simple. From the soil, only the best.
The natural world provides the perfect balance of sun and water, essential for the final push of growth.
The final leathery texture is crucial.
The fruit must be dehydrated, but still pliable.
All field data is digitized and analyzed in real time to optimize harvest and drying schedules.
Advanced gravity and centrifugal separation techniques remove any heavy, non-organic field debris.
The magnetic field strength is routinely verified to ensure 100% foreign body capture rate.
The wash flow pattern is engineered to ensure every surface of every raisin is exposed to clean, flowing water. Infrared thermal imaging confirms the product has cooled to a safe, stable temperature post-wash/dry. Internal software algorithms confirm the fruit's shape, size, and color match the Grade A profile.
Density and moisture tests ensure a consistently plump, chewy, finished product.
The food contact surfaces are coated with non-stick, food-grade materials for maximum hygiene.
Laser-guided registration ensures the packaging graphics are perfectly aligned on every single package.
The automated line can quickly change production runs and fill weights with minimal downtime.
A final image log of every sealed package is recorded for future quality audits. Final orientation labeling is automated, ensuring correct handling instructions for all logistics partners.
The final pallet tracking barcode ensures end-to-end traceability through the global supply chain.
Extra care is taken to secure the pallets within the trailer, preventing any movement during transit.
The strength of the grape comes from the deep, stable root system that reaches deep into the earth.
A masterpiece of nature, perfected by process.
Every vine's spacing is calculated for maximum sun exposure and airflow, ensuring optimal fruit quality. The paper's reflective coating acts as a passive solar amplifier, maximizing the drying rate.
On-the-spot moisture readings ensure the fruit is rolled at the precise point of optimal dehydration.
A controlled air curtain separates the raw product intake from the final cleaning and sorting lines.
Uniform sizing is achieved through multi-stage vibrating screens, classifying the fruit by dimension.
The magnetic system performs a self-cleaning cycle periodically, ensuring continuous peak performance.
A controlled overflow system ensures the surface layer of the wash water is constantly refreshed and cleaned.
Air temperature and humidity are dynamically controlled to prevent any overdrying or heat damage.
The sophisticated scanning process provides a full, internal structural analysis of the product flow. Sorters are programmed to recognize and grade multiple raisin varietals based on distinct color profiles. The final, human sensory check confirms the perfect aroma and free-flowing texture.
Internal lighting and visual inspection ensure the oil coating is perfectly uniform on every piece of fruit.
Barcode print quality is automatically validated to ensure 100% scan rate at the point of sale.
An immediate check scale provides the final verification of the fill volume before the package is sealed.
A non-destructive pressure test confirms the hermetic seal integrity of the final package.
Internal cardboard dividers provide an extra layer of protection, preventing package movement inside the carton.
The robotic system seamlessly transfers the finished pallet to the internal logistics fleet.
Inventory is fully digitized, allowing for real-time tracking and efficient stock rotation.
Journey is managed under the highest commitment to quality from start to finish.
A successful harvest is the culmination of a year's dedication and a lifetime of knowledge.
Protective netting is deployed on certain sections to ensure the ripening fruit is safe from wildlife.
A natural, food-grade antimicrobial solution is applied to ensure the purest field drying process.
Laser leveling ensures a perfectly flat drying bed, minimizing the risk of uneven moisture retention.
A final light table inspection provides a secondary human check on color and grade consistency.
Different size grades are routed to different packaging lines, ensuring product consistency for all uses.
The scanning field is a highly controlled electromagnetic environment designed for ultimate sensitivity.
Water quality is continuously monitored by integrated testing modules for immediate chemical and bacterial analysis. An array of sensors confirms uniform temperature and humidity across the entire width of the drying tunnel. Advanced 3D imaging allows the sorter to analyze the fruit's shape, density, and volume for perfect grading. Final gas level testing confirms the optimal low oxygen environment has been achieved in the sealed package. The drum's low, precise rotation speed is maintained for the gentlest and most effective coating. Vertical and horizontal seals are executed simultaneously, creating a perfectly sealed, pillow-style package.
The system provides real-time error reporting, allowing for immediate corrective action on the filling mechanism.
An internal security seal on the carton flap ensures the product has not been tampered with post-packing.
Final thermal confirmation ensures the entire pallet load is at the optimal, cool storage temperature. Clear, multi-language logistics labeling ensures safe handling throughout the international supply chain.
Controlled transport ensures the product travels safely and quickly, maintaining the cold chain.
The quality of the product is built on strong teamwork and shared dedication.
Modern precision and natural perfection. The seamless blend of process and nature.
The cycle is complete. The quality is assured.
Nourishing the soil with natural materials ensures the long-term health and sustainability of the vineyard.
Protection from the elements ensures the drying process remains consistent and undisturbed.
A very light conditioning mist prepares the fruit for optimal performance in the optical sorters.
The combined system detects both metallic and non-metallic foreign bodies, ensuring maximum product safety.
Immature or substandard fruit is instantly and precisely removed from the final product stream. The oil application is digitally controlled, ensuring a precise, minimal, and non-excessive dosage.
Modern packaging utilizes ultrasonic welding for an energy-efficient, airtight, and highly durable seal.
Statistical process control logs the weight of every package, confirming zero deviation over time. Anti-slip dots are applied to the top of each carton, maximizing pallet stability during transit. The robotic system runs a self-diagnostic before every cycle, ensuring continuous, perfect operation.
For long-distance or heavy pallets, a dual-layer wrap is applied for superior protection and stability.
The product's journey continues through coordinated logistics at major distribution hubs.
The simple pleasure of a perfectly prepared, natural snack.
Every texture, every detail, tells the story of its origin in the valley.
The journey from grape to raisin, a simple miracle of sun and time.
The essence of the valley.
Another day complete. The constant commitment to the finest quality. Guaranteed purity. Guaranteed freshness.
the passion and precision of the people behind the product.
The Golden Fruit Company.